Plant FAQs, Ctenanthe Burle Marxii. Discovering the beauty of Ctenanthe Burle Marxii. As a passionate plant enthusiast, I am always on the lookout for unique and captivating plants to add to my indoor garden. One such gem that has recently caught my eye is the Ctenanthe Burle Marxii. With its striking foliage and relatively easy care requirements, it has quickly become a favorite of mine. In this article, I will share my journey with this beautiful plant, including how to care for it, propagate it, and more. See more 15 species in genus Ctenanthe at monsteraholic.com. Ctenanthe Burle Marxii, also known as the fishbone prayer plant, is a tropical perennial native to Brazil. It is named after the renowned Brazilian landscape architect Roberto Burle Marx. This plant is part of the Maritaceae family, which also includes the Calathea and Miranda species. What sets Ctenanthe Burle Marxii apart is its striking leaf pattern, featuring bold, dark green herringbone stripes on a lighter green background. The leaves have a slightly velvety texture, making them a tactile delight. How to care for Ctenanthe Burle Marxii. Light requirements. Ctenanthe Burle Marxii thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves, so it's best to place it near a north or east-facing window where it can enjoy filtered light. If natural light is limited, fluorescent or grow lights can be used to supplement. Watering needs. This plant prefers consistently moist soil, but does not tolerate waterlogging. I water mine when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. It's crucial to use well-draining soil and a pot with drainage holes to prevent root rot. During the growing season, I find that watering every 7 to 10 days works well, but this can vary depending on the humidity and temperature of your home. Humidity and temperature. Ctenanthe Burle Marxii enjoys high humidity, reminiscent of its tropical origins. I maintain humidity levels around my plant by using a humidifier, misting the leaves regularly, and placing a pebble tray with water underneath the pot. This plant thrives in temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it in drafty areas or near heating vents, as sudden temperature changes can stress the plant. Soil and fertilization. A well-aerated, peat-based potting mix is ideal for Ctenanthe Burle Marxii. Adding perlite or orchid bark can enhance drainage. During the growing season, I feed my plant with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 weeks. Reducing fertilization in the winter months when the plant's growth slows down is also beneficial. How to propagate Ctenanthe Burle Marxii. Propagating Ctenanthe Burle Marxii is relatively straightforward and can be done through division. Here's how I do it. Timing. The best time to propagate is during the spring or early summer when the plant is actively growing. Preparation. Gently remove the plant from its pot and carefully separate the root ball into smaller sections, ensuring each section has at least one healthy stem and several leaves. Planting. Replant the divisions in fresh, well-draining soil and water them thoroughly. Aftercare. Keep the newly potted divisions in a warm, humid environment with bright, indirect light. Maintain consistent moisture in the soil to help them establish roots. What pests and diseases affect Ctenanthe Burle Marxii? Ctenanthe Burle Marxii is generally hardy but can occasionally fall prey to pests and diseases. Common pests include spider mites, mealybugs, and aphids. I regularly inspect my plant and use insecticidal soap or neem oil to treat infestations. Root rot can be an issue if the plant is overwatered or the soil is poorly drained. Ensuring proper watering practices and good air circulation helps prevent fungal problems. What plants complement Ctenanthe Burle Marxii? When designing an indoor garden, I like to pair Ctenanthe Burle Marxii with other tropical plants that share similar care requirements. Some great companions include Calathea. With its variety of leaf patterns and colors, Calathea makes a visually stunning companion. Miranda, also known as the prayer plant, it complements Ctenanthe with its similar growth habit and care needs. Philodendron, its lush, green foliage provides a beautiful contrast to the patterned leaves of Ctenanthe. Ferns, their feathery fronds add a delicate texture that pairs well with the bold leaves of Ctenanthe. Why choose Ctenanthe Burle Marxii? Adding Ctenanthe Burle Marxii to your plant collection is a decision you won't regret. Its striking foliage and relatively low maintenance care make it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced plant lovers. Whether you're looking to enhance your indoor garden, or seeking a unique gift for a fellow plant enthusiast, Ctenanthe Burle Marxii is sure to impress. In conclusion, Ctenanthe Burle Marxii is a delightful plant that brings a touch of tropical elegance to any indoor space. With the right care, it will thrive and continue to captivate with its beautiful, patterned leaves. Happy planting!